To change a foot on your machine, lift up the presser foot, push this back button, and slide the foot out. To put the foot back on, you slide it in place, lower the presser foot lever, and it clips right back in place. This is the J-foot that's used for many sewing projects. It's also called an all-purpose foot. This is the zipper foot that you can sew regular zippers or hidden zippers, and depending which side of the zipper you're sewing on, you can attach this foot to either side. This is the buttonhole foot, and this is how it works. You slide this back area open and place your button right here. You attach it to the machine, then slide this forward and pull down this lever and have it go in between these two areas right here. And then it will know how wide to make your buttonhole. This is the walking foot. You attach it from the back side, put this shank right onto this silver edge, and this plastic right around here, and then tighten the screw. The walking foot is used for quilting and sewing over thick layers of fabric.